Hello everyone, welcome to Quantum Chem Lab. In this video, we are going to learn about elements, compounds and mixtures. These are the basic classifications of matter in chemistry and they are very important for understanding many other topics. So, let's get started. Everything around us is made of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. In chemistry, matter is classified into three main types: elements, compounds, and mixtures. Now let's look at each one in detail. First, let's talk about elements. An element is a pure substance made of only one type of atom. Elements cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical methods. Examples of elements include hydrogen, oxygen, iron, and gold. All elements are arranged in the periodic table. Next, we have compounds. A compound is a pure substance formed when two or more different elements combine chemically in a fixed ratio. For example, water H2O is a compound made from hydrogen and oxygen. The properties of a compound are different from the properties of its elements. Compounds can only be separated into elements by chemical reactions. Now, let's move on to the mixtures. A mixture is formed when two or more substances mix physically, not chemically. In a mixture, each substance keeps its original properties. Mixtures can be separated using physical methods. Examples of mixtures include air, sand and salt, and sugar dissolved in water. There are two types of mixtures. A homogeneous mixture has a uniform composition like salt solution or air. A heterogeneous mixture has non-uniform composition like oil and water or sand and water. Let's summarize what we learned today. Elements are pure substances made of one type of atom. Compounds are pure substances formed by chemical combination of elements. Mixtures are physical combinations of substances and can be separated easily. That's the end of today's lesson. In this video helped you like, share and subscribe to Quantum Lab for more easy and clear chemistry lessons. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.